नमो नमः. Yoga Darshana Samikshanam, an overview of Yoga Darshanam. Note by S.L. Abhyankar. The word yoga has many meanings, but certainly Yoga Darshanam is a school of philosophical thought. It contains advice on how we humans can improve our life. As was discussed in the context of Sankhyam, the word philosophy comes from the Greek philo, love, and sophia, wisdom, and so is literally defined as the love of wisdom. More broadly understood, it is the study of the most basic and profound matters of human existence. Also, the etymology of the word Tattvajnanam, that is Tattvasya Jnanam, is from Tattva, Tat plus Tva, that is itness of it. Every it has its own distinctive itness. Study and knowledge of that itness of every it becomes Tattvajnanam. But Yoga Darshanam restricts itself only to the itnesses of human behavior. Although postulates in Yoga Darshanam are restricted to human behavior, one can see in them focused applications of postulates in Sankhya. For example, the postulate of Traigunyam is Sattvam, Rajas and Tamas is very much valid in human behavior. In Chaturdashodhyaya of Gita, the postulate of Traigunyam is progressed to Gunatitata, which also the human intellect can try to assimilate. This progressed postulate of Traigunyam becomes a postulate of Yoga Darshanam. One can say that such postulates in Sankhya, which may be progressed by human intellect and human intellect can try to assimilate, become postulates of Yoga Darshanam. Sankhya recognizes Manaha also to be an organ. Buddhi indriyani chakshusrotra grana rasanatvoka akhyani pak vak pani padapayupastha karma indriya anyahu ubhayatmakam manaha sankalpakam indriyam cha sadharmyat. Sankhya Karika 24-27. In Yoga Darshanam, the postulate of Manaha as an organ is progressed further, advocating Manas Sanyamanam, control of Mana, which is possible for human intellect to work upon. One may say that Sankhya is theory and Yoga Darshanam is its practical. There are two main texts of Yoga Darshanam, Yoga Vasishtaha and Yoga Sutrani of Patanjali Muni. See Sarga 126 in Purvardha of the 6th Nirvana Prakaranam of Yoga Darshanam, Yoga Vasishtaha, as available at https://sa.wikisource.org/wiki/Yoga Vasishtaha Prakaranam 6th Nirvana Prakaranasya Purvardham Sargaha 126. Yoga Sutrani of Patanjali Muni are available at https://sa.wikisutrani_bhashya sahitam. Note, this text is inclusive of a bhashyam, commentary, and is mentioned as Shri Patanjali Sankhya Manchane Yoga Shastre Vyasa Bhashye, is a commentary by Vyasa, and Sankhya Pravachane Yoga Shastre suggests that this Yoga Shastram is a part of a larger text which is Sankhya Pravachana, the latter being the most popular. The latter means Yoga Sutrani. Actually, Yoga Darshanam obtaining in Yoga Sutrani is often mentioned as Ashtanga Yoga, an eightfold system comprising यमाः नियमाः आसनानि प्राणायामाः प्रत्याहाराः धारणा ध्यानं समाधि. For a little more information about Yoga Sutrani of Patanjali Munihi, at the link given above, there are total of 195 Sutrani in 4 quarters, 51 in Samadhi Padaha, 55 in Sadhana Padaha, 55 in Vibhuti Padaha, and 34 in Kaivalya Padaha. The titles of the 4 quarters are fairly suggestive of their contents. The dictionary meanings of yoga and of the 4 words samadhi, sadhana, vibhuti and kaivalyam are as follows. Yoga yuj bhavadau ghai kutvam, joining, uniting, union, junction, combination, contact, touch, connection, employment, application, use, mode, manner, course, means, consequence, result. In this sense, mostly at the end of compounds, on or in, ablative. Fitness, propriety, suitableness, an occupation, a work, business. I have blanked some of the meanings. An expedient, plan, means in general, endeavor, zeal, diligence, assiduity, gaining, acquiring, acquisition, dependence, relation, regular order or connection, dependence of one word upon another, deep and abstract meditation, concentration of mind, contemplation of the Supreme Spirit, which in yoga philosophy is defined as chitta vritti nirodha. Sa brahma yoga yuktatma sukhamakshayam ashnute. This is from Bhagavad Gita 5-21. The system of philosophy established by Patanjali, which is considered to be the second division of the Sankhya philosophy. See, yoga is considered to be the second division of Sankhya philosophy, but it is practically reckoned as a separate system. Ekam Sankhyancha Yogancha Yah Pashyati Sa Pashyati. This is again from Bhagavad Gita 5.5. The chief aim of the yoga philosophy is to teach the means by which the human soul may be completely united with the Supreme Spirit and thus secure absolution, and deep abstract meditation is laid down as the chief means of securing this end. Elaborate rules being given for the proper practice of such yoga or concentration of mind. A follower of the yoga system of philosophy is also a yoga. Yet another meaning, devotion, pious seeking after God. Steady application, yoga. Ability, power. Equality, sameness, samatvam yoga uchyate. There are so many meanings of the word yoga because it is derived from dhatu yuj, which is detailed at https://www.ashtadhyayi.com/dhatu as yuj, yujang samadhau, to concentrate, to focus, to abstain from senses, to meditate. Divadi, Chaturthaganiya, Atmanepadi, Akarmakaha, Anit. Next, yuj, yujang, yoge, to bind, to restrain, to join, to unite, to apply, to combine. Rudhadi, Saptamganiya, Ubhayapadi, Sakarmakaha, Anit. And then yuj, yujang, sanyamane, to restrain, to control, to bind. Churadi, Dashamganiya, Ubhayapadi, Sakarmakaha, said. Study of Yoga Darshanam should take cognizance of all the meanings of the word yoga. Samadhi, collecting, composing, concentrating as mind. Profound or abstract meditation, concentration of mind on one object, perfect absorption of thought into the one object of meditation, that is the Supreme Spirit. The eighth and last stage of yoga. व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि समाधौ न विधीयते. आत्मैश्वराणां न हि जातु विघ्नाः समाधिभेद प्रभवो भवन्ति. This is from Kumar Sambhava. Samadhi also means intentness, concentration in general, fixing of thoughts, penance, religious obligation, devotion to penance, bringing together samadhi, concentration, combination, collection, union, a set, reconciliation, settling or composing differences. Beautiful. Samadhi, settling or composing differences. Silence, agreement, assent, promise, requital, completion, accomplishment, perseverance in extreme difficulties, attempting impossibilities, laying up corn in times of famine, some other meanings. We can skip that. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, Samadhi, Pullingam, Samadhiyate asmin mano janaihi iti. Sam plus a plus dha. Upasarga घो किहि इति किहि समर्थनम निवाकः नियमः इति अमरः. No, samadhiyate asmin mano janaihi iti means samadhi is wherein people attain equanimity of the mind. Sadhana, accomplishment, fulfillment, completion, worship, adoration, conciliation, propitiation. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, sadhana, strilingam, sadh plus nich plus yuch plus tap. Siddhi, nishpadana, iti sadhatpartha darshana, aradhana, nyanta sadhato anapratyay nishpanna. About dhatu sadh, at https://www.ashtadhyayi.com/dhatu sadh sadhang samsiddhau, to accomplish, to attain, to fulfill, to achieve. Swadihi panchamagniya parasmepadi sakarmakaha anik. Actually, sadhana is the perseverance. Sadhana is a perseverance that leads to accomplishment rather than the accomplishment itself. Vibhuti, feminine, might, power, greatness, prosperity, welfare, dignity, exalted rank, riches, plenty, magnificence, splendor, disposition. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, vibhutihi, strilingam, vi plus bhu plus tin, animadikam ashtadha, tatparyaya, bhutihi aishwaryam, iti amarah. विभवत्यनया विभूतिः क्तिः भवतेः क्तिः भूतिः. विग्रहणमन्योपसर्ग निरासार्थम ईश्वर गुणैश्वर्यम भावे स्नेह अणिमादि लघिमादि. Note here, meaning of vibhuti is given as aishwaryam, but aishwaryam is detailed as ishwarasya bhavaha. Ishvara plus shai, Ishvara dharmaha. To go deeper in etymology, Ishvaraha, Pullingam, Ishte iti. Ish plus varach. Yadva ashnute vyapnoti iti ashdhator varat. Upadhaya itvancha. All in all, vibhutihi means aishwaryam, means attaining might, power, supreme command over one's disposition in all situations. That is Vibhuti, that is Aishwarya. Kaivalyam, Kevalasya Bhavaha, shine, perfect isolation, soulness, exclusiveness, individuality, detachment of the soul from matter, identification with the Supreme Spirit, final emancipation or beatitude, everlasting disappearance of the three pains. Kaivalyam Madhyamastham. Note, Kaivalyam Madhyavastham is quoted from Sankhya Karika. That again makes Kaivalyam as a part of the philosophy of yoga, as a pada, Kaivalya pada, becomes a part of the Sankhya. Because it is quoted in this, it is so quoted in Sankhya Karika number 19. In Shabda Kalpadrumaha, Kaivalyam, क्लीबे केवलस्य सर्वोपाधिवर्जितस्य भावः इति केवल इति केवल शै मुक्तिः इति अमरः. Note here, Kaivalyam is defined as सर्वोपाधिवर्जितस्य भावः, the state which is free from all sarva upadhis, afflictions. All in all, Yoga Darshanam in Yoga Sutra starts with Samadhi Padaha, training the mind to be equanimous, proceeds to Sadhana Padaha, perseverance with that equanimity, then to Vibhuti Padaha, being steadfast in that command, control on the mind, culminating in Kaivalya Padaha, the exclusive state, free from sarva, all upadhis, afflictions. If one can get to attain Kaivalyam, the exclusive ultimate state, by such study and practice of Yoga Darshanam, study of Sankhya also would be leading to the same knowledge of Kaivalyam. If so, this corroborates Ekam Sankhyancha Yogancha, Gita 5-5. Sounds interesting and appealing, right? By the way, Yogasanani have caught the attention of people around the world, around the entire world so much, especially with June 21st having been accepted by UNO as the International Yoga Day. But this seems to have led to a misconception that Yogasanani are the be-all and end-all of yoga. The fact is that complete yoga is Ashtanga Yoga, and Yogasanani is just one aspect. One must study and assimilate the complete Yoga Darshanam. Maybe relative Gita Shloka would help understanding of Yoga Darshanam as delineated in Yoga Sutrani. Shubhamastu.